BJP. Giriraj Singh prizes Rahul Yadav's daughter for donating kidney to her father. Snake and hot news will be continued by my friend Meghana. Thank you. Have a short day. Today's state and sports news is brought to you by Meghana of Grade 7 Jasper. State news. Hyderabad gets first gold ATM. Here how it works. Sport news. Hrishikesh Kanitkar appointed Indian women's team batting coach. Thank you. Weather report will be continued by my friend Liaquat. Have a good day.
Today's weather report is brought to you by Liaquat from Grade 7 Jasper. Weather report. Minimum temperature 24 degrees Celsius, maximum temperature 30 degrees Celsius. Mostly cloudy. That's the end of the weather report. Thank you. Have a short day. Thought will be continued by my friend Sanvi. Thank you.
Thought is brought to you by Sanvi of Grade 7 Jasper. And today's thought: education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world. I repeat it again. Education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world. Thank you. Have a nice day. And the word will be continued by my friend Swatika.
Today's word is brought to you by Swatika from Grade 7 Jasper. Today's word: powerful. It means having a lot of control, influence over other people. Friends, please spell after me. Powerful. P-O-W-E-R-F-U-L. Powerful. Article will be continued by my friend Samyukta. Thank you. Have a colorful day.
Article of International Civil Aviation Day is brought to you by Samyukta from Grade 7 Jasper. International Civil Aviation Day is
Be confident, be louder.
International Civil Aviation Day is celebrated on December 7th to raise awareness about the importance of the role played by the Organization of the International Civil Aviation in air transport. International Civil Aviation Day was established in 1994 as part of ICAOS. The organization is a United Nations body responsible for developing international standards for aviation safety. The theme of this year's Civil Aviation Day is 75 years of connecting the world. Thank you.
That's great. Go. 5.
Stay. Don't go up to the shoulder level only. Shoulder level.
6. Heels up.
On a flight. Ready to fly.
7. 8. 8. 7. 6. 5. 4. 3. 2. 1. School. Kennedy. Still there. Move your right leg. 6.
Stay together. Don't spread. 90 degrees. Yes. To your shoulder.
7. 8. Now to your right side again. 8. Left side, sorry. Left side. 7. Hands up, straight. 6. 5. 4. Don't move. Straight your legs. Don't bend. 2.
If it is not in sync, stop, discuss. But don't try to
Stop the kick. 3. If you don't, I won't go for the second step.
Don't be too smart. You also.